going on, guys? It's Beowulf doing the next mod to the RXP X 300 2018 Sea Doo. After waiting, they were on back orders. It was like a month, and then waiting a whole nother month, or no, last two weeks because of the hurricane. And when I was in Florida, I was going to install it, but I didn't install it because I didn't have all my tools with. So finally installing an oil catch can from Riva Racing on the Sea Doo. So I'll show you guys how to install it, and at the bottom I have a link where you can order it too. And this is like a must mod for any Sea Doo because you don't want that engine oil going back into the intake. And I've seen it, all my vehicles that have, all my vehicles like my Jeep SRT, my Challenger Hellcat, they all have catch cans on them, and I found it to be a very nice, cheap mod. It doesn't matter if you're racing or not, it's just added security for your jet ski or your car, your truck, whatever you drive. You should definitely look into it. So let's get it going, and I'll show you guys how to install this. Alright, so I got most of the stuff laid out. So here we go, we got the oil catch can. Now what it wants you to do is, for this being an RXP X, this will be installed like so. If it was an RXT X or a GTX, it would be like this. So we're doing on this. So I'm going to go in my other garage and get the red Loctite for the bolts. Bolt that down. And then the next step 2 is in the back of the engine bay with the torque key socket, or the torque socket. I'm going to unhook the mounting brackets. They're right, let's see, get a good feel. Yeah, see, they're right below where my hand is. So you want to unhook those to get that out. Alright, so I got the catch can mounted on. Focus, bud. There we go. The torque key you need to use, torque socket. See, is it E8? That unhooks the 2 bolts down there to mount it on. Now when I did it on our RXT X, I had to cut the hose. So you gotta install this hose, and I had to cut a fair amount off when I installed on my other jet skis. So I'm not sure how much I'll have to cut here. Maybe about the same, because what happened is I was having the hose like crimp bend, so I don't want to do that on this one. So then the next step is, plus 2, when you install, there's a valve. You want to make sure it's closed before you put it in there, because then it's harder to see. I know what I found on my RXT X, that if you need to drain any of it, as I just pull the filter off the top there and just use the same siphon thing that I use to change the oil on, is what I did there. But that's for what I've seen, because it's pretty hard to fit something underneath there, especially on that one. It's really tight fit. Now the next thing I do is unhook this. There's a cap here. There'll be cap down there. That's on to the, let's see, yeah, right there. You capping that, and then we just run the hose. It's pretty straightforward. This is a very easy mod to do. It's just, this is time consuming to get into there. It's a tight fit. I like cutting my hand. Got a little blood on the jet ski. But hey, it's worth it. So alright, so there's a zip tie you use down there on the, let's get it to focus. There we go. Use that, and then there's, we use the hardware from down below on the old line. Use the one there, and then use the other one supplied right there. And that's pretty much straightforward of installing the catch can. Also too, I didn't have to cut the hose, because if you look how it dips down in there, it's not bending the hose. That's what happened on the other jet ski. Oh man, I'm sweaty, humid out here. Maybe other people are in colder areas where you're getting cold weather busting out the sweatshirt. I'm sweating, it's hot out. So, but I figured I'll show you guys the other 3 catch cans in my other 3 vehicles. So I'll give you a little tour showing what they all look like. And this is gonna be hard to see, but this is the one that's on, let's see if we can even see it. Yeah, see, it's tight fit with the intake, but that's the one on the RXT X. Here's the one on my Jeep SRT. And the one on the Hellcat. So the one on the Hellcat's right there. Actually, it's two. So it's the dirty side and the clean side. So it got one here. It's all ran right into there. And then it has the clean side that's ran in here. So this is kind of a cool setup on the Hellcat. And I found these ones are the best because most of the other catch cans are even on the market for this. Like mount right in there. And I just didn't like them being there. I think this has a really clean OEM look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button too. I'm Beowulf. I'll be back in another video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. Figuring out this is probably like the first mod you should really do with one of these jet skis. I would check, you know, if you don't have a Sea Doo and you got other brands, they probably have catch cans on the market. It's definitely an investment, especially on your daily vehicle or if you got fast vehicles. It's just a very cheap investment, but it makes sure you guys don't have problems in the long run. So, end of the video. I'll see you guys back in the next one. Peace out.